This represents the best value in a flashlight that I've seen in a long time. Fenix LD40. It runs about $60, and it comes with this pouch. Got a little strap. Hang it on your belt or clip it to your backpack. Comes with an extra gasket because the thing's waterproof. This is glass, not plastic. And the head is made of metal, not plastic. The back is plastic. It's not quite as sturdy as, say, a Surefire, but it's very feature rich. It has 4 different brightness settings. This is ultra low, low, high, and turbo. And on this low setting, this thing will run for 245 hours. That's 10 days. And it uses AA batteries. Serious. Strobe. SOS. And flash. If you're a survival gear geek, then you need to have one of these. And if you're not, you still need to have one. I'm going to show you some of its performance in the dark in just a minute, but first let me show you some other features I like about it. One is this sort of flat cross section. It gives you a really good grip, and if you set it down somewhere, you don't have to worry about the flashlight rolling away. Push it in a little bit, and it comes on, but then it comes right back off, okay? And then you push it on all the way, and it clicks and stays on. You push this silver button to make it brighter, brighter, and brightest, and then again, okay? And then you push and hold it in to change the mode. There's the strobe function. Look at it out there. That's strobe, all right? And then you push it, and that's SOS. You can see that's plenty bright enough to read by, right? And this is the dimmest setting.
Fenix LD40. Buy it.